If you're thinking about building a community, launching a membership, or creating a digital business, this might be the most valuable video you'll watch this year. Start a $1 million business not by selling expensive courses, not by running ads, but by building a community people actually want to be part of. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact strategy I would use step by step. So let's get into it. We are entering what I call the community economy. People don't want to just buy courses anymore. They want support, connections, collaboration, access to people on the same journey. That's why platforms like School, Circle, Reddit, Discord are exploding in popularity because people are realizing something powerful. The real value isn't information anymore. The value is community. And if you build the right community, it can become an incredible, scalable business. The first mistake people make when building communities is choosing a topic. But successful communities are not built around topics, they are built around transformations. People join communities because they want to go from point A to point B. Next, you need the platform. Today, there are three great options. First one is School. Best for monetized communities. It combines courses, community, gamification, and is designed to grow paid memberships. The next one is Circle. Great if you want something more customizable and branded. Then there are free options such as Discord, Reddit, Facebook groups. Now, if I were starting today, I would personally choose School because it's optimized for community businesses and it's a social media platform for entrepreneurs. My second favorite is Circle. Inside that community, you provide discussions, live sessions, collaboration, resources. Once people see value, monetization becomes easy, okay? Because now people trust you. If I were starting today, my number one growth engine would be YouTube. Not Instagram, not TikTok, not ads. YouTube. Okay, now why? Because YouTube videos work like search engines. People are searching for solutions, and video builds authority and trust. One good video can bring traffic for years. My strategy would be simple: create videos and invite people to join the free community. For example, at the end of the video, you can end it with something like, hey, if you want to connect with other people building digital businesses, I have created a free community. The link is in the description, okay? That's how you build momentum. The biggest secret to successful communities is this. It's not just about content. It's about connections. Your job is to help members collaborate, share wins, and help each other. The best communities feel like masterminds, sport groups, business networks. When that happens, people never want to leave. Okay, we are entering a time where communities will become some of the most valuable businesses on the internet because people are tired of learning alone. Okay, they want to build together. And if you build the right community, you're not just building a business, you're building a movement. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel because I'll be sharing more strategies about AI, digital businesses, the future of online communities. And if you're interested in building a digital future with other creators and entrepreneurs, check the link in the description and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.